Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unbend generic quilt. The generic quilt is possible to create different kind of feature with Creo, and I used the sweep feature for this example. In the surface you can select the feature flatten quilt and select the existing quilt. Then it's necessary to select the origin. For this origin I will create on the fly the point in the middle of the curve, and this point will be driven for flatten quilt. So we can see here that system will create really easy the flatten quilt from the general quilt, and based on the analysis I like to measure the area. For example, the first one or new one, the value is same, and if you come from the length of the curve it will be again the same or almost same. So you can see here 3 decimal places is a little bit small difference. So I hope so that you like this quick video tutorial. Stay tuned and bye bye. Vladimir.